how can we understand and rebuild this planet by the Word of God, in which what is the Word of God is first to understand what is the alphabet, what is a letter, what is a number, how to read the alphabet, and understand and look deep into the words of God and into understanding creation. We live according to the cube in the house of DC. The shortest gap on a cube is between 4 and 3. There is only one number, therefore the house has been split by the 7th gate. Why has it been split by the 7th gate? Is because of what number 4 and 2 say. If there is 4 and 2, the opposite side will be 3 and 5, 5 and 3. Ho, ho, ho. To the cat, to the soul. 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 8. It is created by 4 and 4, 8, 3 and 3, 6. 4 and 4 counting for area space, 3 and 3, 6 and 9 counting for rotation of the cubonic. And where do I get these words from? It is from the result of the numbers that come from the word. 3 times 3, 3 plus 3, although it creates 6 and 9, the 9 birth of the 6 light, of where cometh is the 7th gate. This is the only 7th gate. It is the gold. It is the gold because of the numbers again. And there's more words to what I say. I'm keeping this basic. There are 3 voided spaces in the center to where 1 will penetrate. This is the only 7. 1 and 6 will mathematically create 13 and 24, which will create DC, 1 times 3, 1 plus 4, the alternate current. The mathematics bring us right up to number 19, so 16 will go into 13, will work its way up into 19, and in the interim will create 24, which is the divided gate of DC, 6 and 8, because I use 2 cubes. On 1 cube it's 3 and 4, on 2 cubes it's 6 and 8. 68 is a representation in words of the house planet. There are 6 sides, and 1 will always be on its ass. Every single reverse side will have a 7 dot and an 11 void because of the area space that you see. There's a 9 possible area space. There's 2 sides, there'll be 18 area spaces, but you only see 7 and 11 are void. There's a cube that was left in Central Park, 7-11. 7 times 11 is where we live. Right over here, 7 and 7. 7 times 11 is 77. Christ, matter, the Venus gates. 11 is 1 and 1 is 2, and it goes with 2 and 7. The 2 void with the 7th gate, reverse to the 5 dot with the 4 void inside the sun. The DC that I talk about is because it's the only numbers that's created by 2 and 4 that will create the passage or the division between 6 and 8. The odds on 6 and 8 in the game of craps are 7 to 6. You put down 6, you get back 7. Earth is numeric value, 52. Mars, numeric value, is 51. In simple artwork, in simple artwork, when you mark 51 or you mark 52, you can be marking it like this. This is going to be 12 and 9 equals to 21. This will be 12 and 18 equaling to 30. 33 is the rotation of 6 and 9. The design inside the artwork for 9 or with the artwork for 6 will show you what looks like the percentage sign connecting 2 sides through the E world, because a description of what the percentage sign is located on the 5. Mars is the dollar sign. 3 is the 9 lives of the cat, in which represents Earth. The cat is also noted in Venus because they put the @ sign. We have a bat over here, with the exclamation point, that goes along with the passing of 1, number 13. Why number 13? 16. 61 is the church. 91 is the spirit. It is funny, when they flip-flop, they become each other. But we will show you that 1 times 6 equals to 6. 1 plus 6 equals to 7 times 6 equals to 42. 7 plus 6 equals to 13. This is the dividing gate. And this, 1 times 3, 1 plus 3, equals to 3 equals to 4 times 3 equals to 12 plus 3 equals to 0, 7 equals to 19. This number will be 10 and 09 G. 3 to the power of 2 to the house of Venus. The 9 lives of the cat, if you want to look at it, 1, 2, 3 will be plus plus inside. And plus plus. There's 4 pluses. Anyways, I didn't want to get into that part. This part will create 4 times 2, 8. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. When you're looking at the Mayan, okay, understanding of what the Mayan calendar is about 13 and 7, on the upper side is the 13, 7 and 6. On the lower side is 43. So the spirit of the 7th gate is 76. And now the divided 7th gate is 6 and 8, 14, which happens to be the ring, which is around this cube as 14. But the reality is 14 equals to 10. The only true 14 on here is 6 and 1. So you have 6 and 1 equals to 7. 1 and 6 equals to 7. That is your 14. The other sides, 5 and 2 equals to 5. And 4 and 3 equals to 5. That is the reality of the cube. That is number 24. How this word comes together. This will create 5 and 4 will create 20 and 9. The IT system in the sun. Through DC and Earth. Inside of what is Earth's heart is DC. 3 and 4 fits inside of 5 and 2. 5 and 2 is what will create 17Q. The reverse is what is 10. The understanding of this is created by number 52 mathematics, or number 18, which is Venus. The Venus heart of the house of Earth, which is house is 68 and planet is 68. And it is created to the communication network of the cat, the 9 lives of the cat. The word cat, the word 9, and the word 5 all have a 2442 letter count, all talking about 68, the house cat. The rotation of 3 and 3 will show us inside the artwork that there is a rotation going on. I just want to see if I got this right. I'm just trying to see between here. Here is one part of that pyramid. And I'm trying to see where the other part of this pyramid is, extending out to this side. And just trying to see extending out through this side. Just trying to see. When they knocked down the Twin Towers, they were talking about 2 cubes. The reason they're talking about 2 cubes is the Twin Towers, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, equals to 60, equals to, this equals to 51, this equals to 60 is 111. Once you reach the top floor of the Twin Towers, they don't talk about the roof. The center of roulette that represents the hexagon and the cube is located right over there. These designs, okay, that you see, the designs that you see, if I can get them over here Let me see. When you have an octagon, you have 3 of them inside of numbers. These 3 octagons, 888, will represent 120 degrees of the one spirit passing in the moon. The diameter of the moon is 2160. 21 is the cube, 60 is the time, the clock. The total is 81, the clock of running in Venus, Mars. When you have these together, you're connecting 72, you're connecting 108, you're connecting 144. The 1440 minutes are 12 by 12 equaling to 144, 414. When you see these squares, these are your even numbers. Every square is a value of 6. This will represent your birth, 90. The reason for that, okay, and all math reasons, is what I do is I play what they call fish upon a wish. And I go ahead and I search out all the mathematics that go along with the numbers. So when you have 90, you have 4 areas of 90 equaling to 360. In order to complete that, you must use 4 times 6 to complete the 24-hour day in a cycle. In a cycle, okay, that takes 3 days and 1 day. The 3 days are what your vibration is all about. 1440 times 3 equaling to 432. It's also 432 is also noted to be 3, 6, and 9, because in order to formate everything in numbers in this world, it must be multiplied by 3 in order to formate. The 147 multiplied, okay, is the rotation in Pluto. 3 by 7, 21. 2 and 1 is 3. 3 by 4 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 3 by 1 is 3. Pluto numeric value is 84. The crisscross of Pluto is 75. What we once lived in was 6895 EI in the planet house. We are now returning to the cycle, which is 57 moon, which is 19, to 84, which is Pluto. It is 19 or C1928. If you look up Rotas Sator and add up the value of the numbers, you will see 55, 73, 64. 64 is noted to be what is the moon cycle. The reason you do not see it or understand it is because you must look at the cube and you must learn which numbers they are rotating around. The 1 and 6 is the pole. The 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and please note the 2, 3, 4, 5 is our vibration. It's either 2, 3, 4 or 3, 4, 5. That is noted in this. I'm losing my trend of thought. So 3 times 147 will equal 333. 3 times 2, 5, and 8 will equal 666. 1, 4, and 7 will count as the pole. 2, 5, and 8 on the cross, which is the pole, is going to be counted as the ring. 2, 5, and 8 is 666. It is 2 parts. For the 2 parts that crisscross around this, 7, 11, 7, 11 equals to 14 and 22. NV. I'm not really sure what they're talking about, but it's talking about 22 will be ape and area space, which is 2 times 2, 2 plus 2. I'm just trying to think where else I was with this. Yes, the 1, 4, and the 2, 5, and 8 that comes down this way, the 1, 4, and 7 that comes down this way, because the 1, 4, and 7 is divided by 3 and it remains at 0.33, it's telling me that it's 1/3 the cube. 1 part of the cube is what is the pole in the cube. 2 parts of the cube is what is the ring, because it shows 2 parts going around, and we know that 2, 5, and 8 creates it, therefore it has to be understood that way. I'm going to keep this short, although it's 14 minutes. We have to understand that our Roman numerals are also something that have to be implicated inside our words. I'm not really sure where else to go with this next, but I want to thank you for watching this video. The Word of God has come to us. We know how to read the words, and if we're going to rewrite books and history and the understanding of words, we shall do it through math, science, and star system math that was created and given to us in skeleton form that implicates everything right down to these. The cubonic sun, Thank you for watching this video. Raphael 7286 in the recreation of what is the skeleton alphabet. Thank you for watching this video. My camera won't stay straight. This is a painting I did when my eyes opened up 15 years ago. And then after that painting, after that piece of artwork, this is all done with crayons, I then went ahead and I did this. The oceans of the sky, noted to be one black sun that was in it. Where is that black sun, or the rainbow sun that was in it? Up at top, you have a mouse in a mouse. And just to let you know that Saturn's sky system is located, connected to BCE. The rat is in the sewage, and in the word of Saturn says rat, sun. The numeric value is 93, representing angel, representing 10, representing 27 and 9, 36, our creation of 99, 99 representing 13, 13 representing to become it is man. Thank you for watching this video.